Welcome back. You're watching India Market Open. It's a pleasant morning on the Lal Street. Lots of buying coming in across the board. The broader markets are trading firm. The benchmark also keeping itself together this morning. One sector that's in focus and has been rather even yesterday has been the auto pack. Of course, this morning the story in the day belongs to Bajaj Auto for other reasons. But auto numbers is what we're all anticipating and looking at as we go into earnings season as well. Manish Raj Singhania, President FADA, and Aditya Welekar, Senior Research Analyst, Metals and Auto Access Security joins in. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us this morning on NDTV Profit. Manish, I'll come to you first. How have you in the two-wheeler segment? 100cc is not as attractive anymore. Gen Z doesn't enjoy riding bikes like they did. The shift clearly is towards either luxury in that sense, or counter bikes like Royal Enfield potentially, or the new offerings that are coming from the Hero and the Bajaj stable. How do you play the two-wheeler space? Do you also, in terms of preference, like a Hero and Bajaj, or are you going with an Eicher on back of Royal Enfield?
So is that question?
Yes, Aditya, that's for you.
Yeah, I think, good morning. So that's right. We are witnessing a premiumization trend in two-wheelers also. And as you have rightly pointed out, even Hero is launching vehicles in the higher CC segments. So that trend is visible. So for Bajaj Auto, if you see, they have managed a good amount of market share in 125cc plus segment at 30% plus. And even Hero MotoCorp, they have launched in collaboration with Harley Davidson. They have their bookings of Charisma and HD 440 that they are also picking up well, and they all plan to ramp up these executive and these premium vehicles by this year end to 10,000 units per month. So that trend is visible, but at the same time, we are optimistic that there might be some green shoots in the rural recovery also, which will benefit Hero MotoCorp. So the kind of weakness which we have seen in the rural recovery, in the rural demand, and which has impacted the entry-level vehicles, that may drag out. But we have to continuously monitor that trend. So that is one green shoot and monitorable, which we will have to see in the coming months.
Right. Aditya, in that case, I want to also quickly get a view from you on Bajaj Auto, since you're fortunately in the studio is with us today. With a big, massive buyback, what does it mean for shareholders of Bajaj Auto? And also in pecking order, your top picks in the auto pack. We also saw numbers from JLR, which look pretty promising.
Yeah, so Bajaj has declared a buyback at rupees 10,000 per share, which is at a premium to the current market price. So that is one positive. And buyback is always efficient way of giving back the back to the shareholders. So Bajaj Auto also has a tailwind that if the exports they almost contribute 50% to exports, and if the exports market recover, especially Nigeria and Argentina, then that kind of tailwind is also there. Their three-wheeler portfolio has done well. So part of it is already reflected in the stock price. So I think today's move is more reflective of the buyback announcement which yesterday we have came up with. As far as the pecking order in two-wheelers is concerned, I think we like all the three two-wheelers. Each two-wheeler has its own characteristics. So Bajaj, as I said, the exports recovery is impending, and Bajaj will be a beneficiary if that happens. Same for TVS. TVS iQube is doing quite well, and it is now second number in terms of the market share in electric vehicle two-wheelers. And TVS exports also can pick up if Bajaj pick up, and TVS can also pick up. So the export tailwind is for both these companies. Only concern for TVS is that the valuations are slightly gone ahead, and the stock is now trading at almost 38x its 12-month forward P ratio. But still, if the exports pick up, then TVS can also have a further tailwinds, and even it can rise from the current level. Hero MotoCorp, as I said, it has a tailwind of rural recovery, which has not yet fully broad-based rural recovery, can definitely drive further re-rating in Hero MotoCorp. For Eicher, we are not that bullish as compared to these three stocks, because The exports have not picked up for Eicher as was expected. But the kind of motorcycles they have brought in, that Himalayan 450 and all, they have a good stable in their product portfolio. We have to wait and see how the competitives like HD, Harley Davidson 440 and Triumph impacts Eicher. That is one monitorable. So as of now, we are not very bullish on Eicher, but for other three two-wheeler stocks, we have a buy rating and we continue to monitor them for further.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you, Aditya. We'd have loved to chat with you longer, but we're sort of short of time. Hopefully, we'll catch you both soon. With that, it's a wrap on India Market Open. Thanks for watching.